Hey everyone, welcome to Long Arm Wednesday. I'm Laura Lynn of the Mama Pop Quilt Shop, and we're very happy to see you here today. We're working on a very beautiful customer quilt. Her name is Mary, and this is one of her Bonnie Hunter quilts. Okay, this is one I was talking about on the live stream for the blue scrappy quilt that we've been working on with the very adorable elephant flannel backing. It's just so cute. So I'll hold it up here, and then Pop will get a nice good look at it while Walt is stitching away a stunning swirls and feather. It's a block, but I've stretched it out and just kind of stacked it and stacked it. It looks lovely on this quilt. So isn't it beautiful? Love all the colors. Love, love, love all the colors. Turquoise and the coral and the tans and the browns just make a very stunning looking quilt. So as you can tell, Walt's been busy away. It's already been done one row. This is the second. There's third, 4, and 5 still yet to do. 3, 4, 5, 6. So 4 more rows after this one. But I just thought I'd show you it and show all her hard work and cue the feline. I gave Sophie something to chew. So she's happy. But yes, isn't it beautiful? I wanted to share it with you guys. So just enjoy. These are the treasures that I get to see and enjoy and look at. It's like eye candy. It really is. It's this beautiful thing that gets to be, hang on my shop for a little while, and I get to put some pretty thread on it and a pretty little design, and then they take it home and cuddle with it. And like I said, this is called Swirls and Feather. I thought it suited it quite nicely with a little bit of flower that it had on the print here, and the bow and arrows, or the arrows, and there's a few other little things that made me think of, some swirls and some feathers, and I think it just complements it quite nicely. So hopefully she likes it too. And the elephants are just too darn cute, let me tell you. Just too darn cute. It just seems like a lot to me. I guess when you're just doing it, breaking it down, step by step, unit by unit, piece by piece, it's not so overwhelming. It's just like anything else I've taken on. But when you look at it like this and you're like, oh my gosh, it's just so, it's so beautiful that it's almost intimidating that you don't feel like you could actually do it. But she tells me I can. It's doable. Lots of people say it's very doable. So I may just take on a challenge one year. She's got a few different styles going. So like of what she does with her scraps. Like there's what was there, a river something. I'm not sure, but there's she gives them names and stuff like that. So I'm not sure what this one is named per se, if it has a name. I just really, really like her. It's very pretty. And just all the different tones, like all these different tones of colors and how they mix and blend together, Makes you wonder how a turquoise and coral quilt would look like. You know what I mean? Having this kind of laid out before you as a little palette of colors, right? And of course, turquoise and brown seem to really go together. Turquoise and coral itself, and then of course you put in the tan, and it's quite pretty. A lot of work. Like just even in the sashings itself, like wow. Beautiful. And she chose pistachio green thread. I will actually get you a bobbin so you can see a better color of it, of what pistachio looks like, and show the small camera. You can see it showing up on some of the fabrics. I just want to roll the thread up so it's not falling anywhere. But there. Is that pretty? It's a lovely color. So, and it's taking approximately one bobbin full per row stitch out. The one bobbin got me there, and then to about halfway here. So next, when I do the next row, I'll make sure it's got a nice fresh bobbin, so I don't have to worry about any thread running out or anything like that. It's just going to stitch the whole way through. So, and you just load up enough to make sure. make sure that you can, right? So. Beautiful. Hope she likes the way it's stitched out because she'll see it on Wednesday. Sorry. Still a wee bit of a tickle. That's because the feline was just here. So that's pretty much it. It's gonna stitch out and make it just as beautiful, and so we can give it back to Mary, and then she'll hopefully treasure it for a very, 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 very long time. Yes. Oh, it measures approximately, hold on, I did write it down, just so, because I might have some questions. Approximately 89 by 74-ish, you know. Maybe it was the way it was holding my tape, so maybe 90 by 75, you know, ish, around there. So I'm assuming that she sets these designs out at a certain size, like a queen size or a twin size or a king size, because I've done one before and it was really big and lovely, and I love the pattern that was on it as well. So I'm assuming that's how she makes it, or do you just keep adding rows and rows until you're done your one? So I don't know. I'll have to partake in one. See how it goes. And if anybody has any ones that they've done of the Bonnie Hunter style, I'd love to see it. So post it in the Mama Pop Quilt Shop Mafia group on the Facebook page. Love to see you there. And the blue scrappy quilt's coming together, very much so. Could probably still make another like 2 quilts out of what I got left over of just the other stuff. I was just going to keep stitching out. So. Okay. Last block stitch. There we go. So a piece of thread keeps bumping around there. I love the thread choice. Thread choice is beautiful. It really just makes all the colors just pop. It pops up on the brown. It shines very nice on the turquoise and the coral. Very nice. All right, well, we'll call that a show. Short one, short but sweet today. And we'll see you on Weekend Projects, okay? So take care and have yourself a fantastic Wednesday. All right, keep smiling. Bye, everybody. Well done, Mary. I love it.